handsome guy.
He is very.
Oh, aren't you beautiful?
You shower him and he gets dirty again, and then you shower him. I give up. He has to wait for a month for another shower.
I've got a chihuahua and he molts terrible. He's
Yeah.
short head. You think he's as big as that one?
Yeah, we had a chihuahua about 2 months ago. It died of old age.
Oh, bless.
Yeah, but now we've got him.
Bit of a difference, eh?
Well, I've had a chihuahua.
Lovely.
He's all right, yeah. Bye. He's a bit nervous. He's a rescue, my lovely. Thank you anyway.
Gorgeous though.
He is. Thank you.
Nothing else.
I did text him up, but I don't know.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? How long does...
Can I come and say hello?
Leafy's lets you, he's just a nervous dog.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he's a rescue.
Oh, you're alright, are you?
Yeah, he's alright.
That's why I always ask, because you never know. do you?
Yeah, he's alright with people. I'd let him choose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Best way to be.
Cheers. Thank you for asking
No
anyway.
pressure on him then, is there?
No. We have little kids sometimes going up thinking they can run up to him. I go, please don't.
Teddy bear,
Yeah.
there, so you sort of like, no, back off.
Yeah.
You're gorgeous.
He's never bit anyone, so
But is it worth the risk? You know,
that's
say
what
you'd
I
be better
do.
off just letting
That's
them
what I
know,
think.
do.
I panic more than him.
Yeah, yeah.
But he just chilled and now waiting for my husband.
I say he's staring straight across there.
Yeah, see you later. Hello. What's going on? Hi.
You overdrawn.
How long have you called?
No. You
Oh,
overdrawn.
I looked, I wasn't.
Yeah, you are.
Oh. Be off by 3 o'clock. Why am I overdrawn for?
I'm going to come back up here, get 3 o'clock.